Hey y'all, welcome back to my video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. We have a Yeezy sneaker review video, so let's get right into it. So these are the Yeezy 700 triple blacks. Adidas re-released these on a confirmed app. They sent me a notification that I was able to purchase them. So I got these in a 5.5, which is equivalent to 5.5 men's, women's 7. Let's check them out. Here they go. Here's the box. Yeezy Boost 700, size 5.5, black, triple black. So I love how these look. They are just all black. They look super comfortable. These retail for $220, which is what I was able to get them for. Right now for resale is not too much higher than retail at the moment. These I would say go ahead and grab them right now. I'm gonna try these on, see how they fit. Oh, so I didn't realize this. I don't know if this is with all of them or just these, I don't know. But shoelace is just one bungee cord the whole way down. You can pull it with this to make it tighter. I tried them on and they fit perfectly. My toes not touching the top whenever I put them on. I'm not gonna say I like them. Like, I mean, if you want an all black sneaker, they're really comfortable and they are cute. And the more you look at them, the more details that pop out. So they're a nice pair of sneakers. They fit really good. They fit perfectly, I would say. Just for reference, I wear a 5.5 in kids, which is a women's 7, faithfully in Nike, and these are 5.5. I wish that I was able to get in the future colors. One of these 700s that are in color, but the more you look at them, the more you can see all the details in them. Like I said, they're comfortable, and if you're a Yeezy fan and you're able to get these, I would say go for them.